Prerequisite number 3. That's what we call process. So for example, you are writing down the case on Coca-Cola. So you will going to understand their RTM process. RTM means route to market, how the product is available from the distributor to the retailer. You are understanding, if your case is on channel management, you need to understand the process of RTM. If your case is on sales, you need to understand the process of GTM. That's what we call go-to-market. If it's on shopper marketing, you need to understand how exactly the trade journey or the shopper journey takes place in multiple channels. So that's very imperative, that's very important. So until and unless if you're not clear about the objective and the purpose, you won't be able to make and formulate the right processes. And to understand the process, the best way you can do is to conduct interviews of those who are a part of a company. However, the best way to do so is to experience the process on your own. Alright, so you can go through the literature as well to see how exactly Mondelez is working, how exactly ICI is operating, how exactly government of Pakistan is ensuring that we pay off our debt, how exactly State Bank's financial sector operates. Alright, financial department operates, how exactly treasury operates, how exactly marketing and innovation works with each other, how exactly sales and marketing works with each other in telecom industry, how exactly telecom industry looks forward to create expansion of their revenue and base. So when you have all these understanding about the processes, it will going to be very convenient for you to write down the story, to write down the case. One more insight over here, to have a clarity over the process case. If you're writing down the process case, it is very imperative that you have the clarity about all these processes, about all the processes which are actually supporting the bigger picture, supporting the objective, and supporting the theme of the research on which you are crafting your case study.